Tired of dealing with bulky box springs? Looking for a bed frame that's sturdy, stylish, and ready to support your mattress right out of the box? You're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best bed frames that completely eliminate the need for a box spring. Make sure to check the links in the description below for current pricing and availability. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Allewie Upholstered Platform Bed. And honestly, this frame delivers boutique hotel vibes without the boutique hotel price tag. That diamond-tufted headboard looks absolutely stunning and creates an instant focal point in any bedroom. The construction here is solid, with a 600-pound weight capacity, which is plenty for most people. The removable wood slats mean you can use it as a traditional platform bed or even pair it with a zero-clearance adjustable base if you decide to upgrade later. That's flexibility you won't find in cheaper frames. What really stands out is how completely upholstered this frame is. We're talking padded headboard, upholstered side rails, the whole 9 yards. It's available in 4 sophisticated colors: stone, pearl, black, and charcoal, so you can match whatever aesthetic you're going for. The fabric feels quality, not cheap or scratchy. Here's what you should know though. Assembly takes about an hour and requires a Phillips screwdriver, which isn't included. Some customers mentioned the pre-drilled holes don't always line up perfectly, so you might need to muscle things into place a bit. Nothing major, but have patience and maybe a friend to help. The value proposition here is excellent. You're getting that luxury upholstered look for a fraction of what furniture stores charge. Plus, the lifetime warranty shows Lucid stands behind their product. For anyone wanting elegance on a budget, this is absolutely worth considering. At number 4, we have the Zinus Deluxe wood platform frame. And if you love that warm, natural wood aesthetic, this one's calling your name. This is real solid wood with a beautiful antique espresso finish, not particle board or laminate pretending to be wood. What makes this frame special is the hidden steel interior framework. Zinus reinforced the wood structure with steel supports, giving you the strength of a metal frame with the classic look of wood furniture. The mission-style headboard stands 37 inches tall and adds that timeless rustic charm to your bedroom. The wood slat system is spaced perfectly at 3 to 3.5 inches apart, which provides excellent mattress support and airflow. You'll extend your mattress life compared to putting it directly on the floor or on inadequate support. Plus, you get over 8 inches of underbed clearance for storage bins or cleaning access. Here's the consideration. The weight capacity varies by size, with twins handling 350 pounds and larger sizes handling 700 pounds. If you're getting a twin or full for heavier individuals, you might want to verify it meets your needs. Also, the wood finish can show scratches more easily than upholstered or metal frames. But here's why it's worth it. You're getting genuine solid wood construction with a 5-year warranty for an incredibly reasonable price. Assembly takes under an hour with basic tools included, and the classic design means this frame won't look dated in 5 years. It's an investment piece that feels way more expensive than it actually is. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Allewie Upholstered Platform Bed frame, and this is the ultimate problem solver for anyone dealing with limited closet space. You're getting 4 spacious rolling drawers built right into the frame, which is game-changing for organization. The adjustable headboard height is genius. You can set it at 40 or 42 inches depending on your mattress thickness, accommodating anything from 6 to 14 inches. The diamond button tufted design gives you that upscaled boutique hotel aesthetic, and it's available in light gray, dark gray, beige, and navy. The solid wood slats provide excellent mattress support without any box spring needed. What I really appreciated during testing were the EVA mute bars that prevent squeaking and creaking. You can move around at night without waking your partner, and there's zero annoying noise. Here's what you should know though. Assembly is more involved with this one. Those 4 storage drawers add complexity, and you're looking at about 1 to 2 hours with a partner. Read the instructions carefully and organize your hardware before starting. The storage capacity is absolutely insane. Each drawer is deep enough for folded bedding, seasonal clothes, or extra pillows. If you're in a smaller bedroom or apartment, this bed frame basically gives you an extra dresser's worth of storage. The 600-pound weight capacity handles couples comfortably, and the quality construction means this investment will serve you well for years. Coming in strong at number 2 is the Amazon Basics Foldable Metal Platform Bed, and this thing is pure genius for certain situations. We're talking tool-free setup in literally 2 to 5 minutes. You just unfold it, lock the pins, and you're done. No Allen wrenches, no confusing instructions, just instant bed frame. The portability factor is unmatched. Moving to a new apartment? This folds flat and fits through narrow doorways and tight staircases without any drama. Need a guest bed that doesn't permanently take up space? Fold it up and slide it behind the couch or in a closet. That convenience is worth its weight in gold. Don't let the simplicity fool you, though. This frame is built tough with heavy-duty steel supporting up to 700 pounds. You can choose 14, 16, or 18-inch heights, giving you anywhere from 13 to 17 inches of underbed storage. The metal slat system provides noise-free support that won't squeak even after years of use. Here's the trade-off. It's purely functional with zero aesthetic appeal. There's no headboard, no upholstery, just industrial-looking metal. If your bed is visible in your room and style matters to you, this won't win any design awards. It's function over form, period. But here's why it ranks so high. The price to practicality ratio is absolutely unbeatable. For guest rooms, college dorms, frequent movers, or anyone who values convenience over appearance, this solves problems other frames can't. Plus, Amazon's customer service makes returns or issues completely hassle-free. And taking the number 1 spot, we have the Zinus Curtis Upholstered Platform Bed frame. And there's a reason this is Amazon's bestseller with over 16,000 reviews. This frame just won the 2025 Good Housekeeping Bedding Award for delivering exceptional quality at an unbeatable value. You're getting heavy-duty steel construction wrapped in premium gray woven fabric that looks clean and modern in any bedroom. Those closely spaced wood slats extend your mattress life by providing proper support and airflow, and the whole system supports 700 pounds without breaking a sweat. Here's the easiest assembly I've seen. 5 minutes, all tools and parts tucked inside a zippered compartment in the headboard. You'll be shocked how quickly this goes together. And once it's set up, it's completely noise-free. Zero squeaking, no matter how much you move around. Here's something to note, though. The headboard height is fixed, so if you have an unusually thick mattress over 14 inches, it might sit taller than the headboard. Most standard mattresses work perfectly, but definitely check your mattress thickness before ordering. The value proposition here is absolutely insane. You're paying between $117 and $270 depending on size, getting award-winning quality, a 5-year warranty, and a frame that'll last for years. Thousands of customers confirm this thing holds up beautifully. For anyone wanting the best overall package of style, durability, and affordability, this is the clear winner. Those are your top 5 bed frames that eliminate box springs entirely. Each one brings something unique, whether it's storage, portability, style, or pure value. Check those description links for current deals. Thanks for watching, and sleep well.